In this video, I will show you how to select a sentence instantly in MS Word without dragging. So keep your cursor. Now press and hold Ctrl and press the left side of mouse. Keep your cursor after full stop. If you have any in your document like here, press left button of mouse. Similarly keep here Control and left button of mouse. Like this. So this is the tricky, but you can do it like this. Just keep your cursor and press mouse and left button of mouse and just move your cursor like this. Thanks for watching.